Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Three Leaf Group and we are right now gonna presenting our group project with the title of Klasifikasi Jenis Daun Tanaman Herbal. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nijar Abdul Malik and my friend here.
Kafirul Hafiz and my friend here.
And for the first, we're gonna read the background. Accurate identification of herbal plant leaf in crucial for photomedicine and biodiversity inventory. However, morphological similarity, most species offer hinder visual differentiation, especially for non-expert. To address this image processing method offer an automated solution through visual-based classification. In this study, can edge detection is applied to extract clear boundary features from herbal leaf image, emphasizing shape and contour information while minimizing noise. The features are then classified using the key nearest neighbor algorithm, which match feature similarity between test and reference samples. Studies have shown that edge-based feature combined with KNN can achieve high accuracy in medical classification. This system focuses on recognizing three widely used Indonesian herbal citrus auratifolia or lime, Pasium rhizome of kemangi, and paper beetle or siri to support accurate, interpretable, and efficient classification for practical use in herbal quality control. And for the research question, number one is how can extract morphological and texture from the leaf image? And number two is which feature are most effective to distinguish like kemangi and beetle or silly leaves? For the number three, how accurate is the KNN algorithm for classifying this leaf based on extract feature? Number four is how can the entire classification pipeline be implemented efficiently in a web-based system? And for the research objective, number one is to design and implement an image-based classification system for identifying lime, kemangi, and serif orbital leaves. For the number two is to extract morphological and textural feature from leaf image using the Kenny edge detection method, focusing on edge contour, shape, and surface patterns. And for the number three is to evaluate the effectiveness of the extracted feature in classifying the three types of leaf using the KNN or K-nearest neighbor classification algorithm. And for the number four is to develop a web-based prototype system that enable users to classify herbal leaf efficiently through an accessible and lightweight application. And for the research limitation, number one is the leaf type. We only using lime, kemangi, and beetle. So the other leaf type are excluded from the classification scope. And number two, the data set, data source and format. Data set is obtained from the mainly data repository. All images are in JPG and PNG format and normalized in up to a uniform resolution. And number three is system scope. The classification system is developed as a web-based prototype to process the process one leaf image per submission. And for the number four is evaluation method. The system is evaluated using internal test data consisting of 35 images per class. Real-time testing using camera input or field data is not included in this study. And for the dataset description, the dataset used in this study consists of digital image of three types of medical plants, such as lime, kemangi, and beetle. And the total data, the dataset divided into three clusters, each representing one type of leaf. Each cluster contains 350 images comprising 315 image for a training and 35 for a testing image. Number two, image format and resolution. All image formats are in JPG or PNG format. And image resolution is normalized pixel to 256 times 256 pixel. In the data scope, only image offline, Kemangi, and Betelif are included in the dataset. And for example image, the dataset includes various angle and lighting condition to capture visual diversity. Example image is example image of each leaf type are shown in the documentation for reference. The next will be explained by my friend.
Next back to me, next to feature extraction. In this study, feature extraction is critical for converting raw leaf image into meaningful numerical data that can be used by the classification algorithm. The process focuses on extracting shape and texture feature using classical image processing technique. A total of 10 features are extracted from each image, 5 related to shape and 5 related to texture. Number one, reprocessing. Images are converted to grayscale and smoothed using a Gaussian blur filter. All images are resized to 256 as 256 pixels to ensure consistent input dimension. Number two, segmentation. The background is removed using output thresholding, which creates a binary mesh separating the leaf from its surrounding. Number three, edge detection. The kind of edge detection algorithm is applied to detect leaf boundaries. This step produces a binary edge map representing the shape of the leaf. And number four, shape feature extraction. For the edge map, the following five shape features are extracted: area, perimeter, circularity, solidity, and extent. This feature describe the geometric structure of the leaf and help distinguish between species with different shapes. And number five, texture feature extraction. From the grayscale image, the following five texture features are extracted using the gray level occurrence matrix or WSEG GLCM. Contrast, correlation, dissimilarity, homogeneity, and entropy. This feature describe the internal surface texture of the leaf and provide additional discriminatory power beyond shape. And number C, final feature factor is image represented by a 10-dimensional feature factor consisting of 5 step feature and 5 texture feature. Next to methodology, flowchart, start, initialization program, load dataset, next to preprocessing, next to input citra, next to object detection, next to display result, and finish with end. Next to
Here, for website implementation, the classification system is implemented as a web-based application to provide user with a simple and accessible interface for identifying herbal plant leaves. The application allows user to upload image of a leaf and returns the predicted class, lime, kemangi, or betel, based on extracted visual features and classification using the K-nearest snake or algorithm. Technology stack in front end we do HTML and CSS. For the back end we do Flash, WinCV, NumPy, and Scikit-learn. For system workflow, first we image upload and next, system do some pre-processing, and next, do filter extraction. Next, system doing classification, and next system do result display. The deployment notes, the application is currently deployed locally for testing purpose. Future works may include deploying the system to a cloud-based environment or integrating it with a database for storing classification logs. For expected result, this study is expected to first, an efficient leaf classification system, like quick image classification system, more capable of accurately identifying lime, kemangi, and betel, using the canny edge detection for feature extraction and canny near snake bore as the classification algorithm. Number two, high classification accuracy. The system is anticipated to achieve high accuracy in distinguishing visually similar leaf types by leveraging a combination of edge, shape, and texture features. Number three, web-based prototype application. Uh, Maybe the fully functional web application that allows user to upload live image and receive immediate classification result in a user-friendly interface. For feature effectiveness analysis, evaluation of which extracted features are most impactful in improving classification performing using the Kaizen model. Educational and practical fields. The system can serve as a learning tool in academic environment and a practical aid for herbalists. Farmer or the general public needing to identify herbal plant leaves accurately and efficiently. Number six, foundation for further research. The methodology and findings from this study are expected to form the basis for further developments. Next is conclusion. This study proposed the development of a web-based classification system for herbal plant leaves, specifically lime, kemangi, and betel, using KNS detection for feature extraction and the nearest neighbor algorithm for classification. The use of KNH provides a computationally efficient alternative to deep learning method by focusing on age, shape, and texture characteristics, which are critical in distinguishing visually similar leaf types. By implementing the system in a web environment, the research emphasizes accessibility and practical utility, aiming to support educational, agricultural, and herbal medicine communities. The expected outcomes include not only a high-performing and lightweight classification tool, but also a foundation for further research in image-based plant identification. And for the demo of web application, we are explained by my friend Muhammad Rizky.
So this is the website we create. This is the landing page. The first is what is a herbal leaf, and then a gallery of herbal leaf and the full explanation about the herbal leaf. And we can go to classification page, and this is the we can choose the image and the classification, and this is the result, and we can change the image it's like this, and press scan again, and this is the result again. Maybe the website, our website maybe just like this. And so thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if there's plenty of mistake and etc. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.